What's up, guys? It's the Golden Gamer. I'm sorry if this voice is very bad or loud, but I will try to keep it down. If you are sick and tired of it, just don't plug in your headphones, just turn it down. But today, as you might be able to read from the title, we're going to be playing Evie Clever Bot. So let's get right into this. We're going to ask her some weird questions. So, Evie, what are you going to say? I've never played it before, I've just seen other people play it. Evie.
I just want to feel her. Oh, hi there.
Did I walk in on something?
You won my heart.
What? Is that how easy it is to get a girlfriend? Just say, did I walk in on something? Man, I guess I'm missing out. God, Evie, show me the light. Damn. Hello.
How are you?
Pretty shit.
Well, I'm not.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Would you like to?
Like to what?
The Harry Potter books.
Yeah, I actually do. I'm quite a fan. I've read the first two. I need to finish the series. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Whatever. I'm pretty sure I spelled that wrong. Yeah, definitely. She says. I'm just gonna quickly get the timer. Fucking hell, it's been 2 minutes already. Sorry, guys. Sorry to spoil the video. So, Evie. I spelled that wrong. Are you shitting with me? Fuck it, we'll just go with that. Eve. So, Eve. That's your nickname. What do you like?
I like you.
Apart from that. Apart from me. I know I'm good looking and all, but come on.
I'm you.
I'm. What? God. Oh, God. What hobbies do you enjoy?
Reading. Nay, not. Do you have hobbies?
Well, yeah, but I like reading. I love reading. No, I don't really do nail art though, I'll be honest with you. Do you have hobbies? Yeah. I make YouTube videos. I said that wrong.
Yes,
Videos.
you do.
Yes, you do. Yes, I'm a soldier. So, what should I say? I'm actually trying to think of what to say all the way back. So, do you have kids? Thinking.
No, do you?
No.
Do you hate me?
Probably, probably. Probably. We're gonna spell it wrong to piss her off.
That's rude.
Yeah, no shit. Yeah, no shit.
I didn't say you were.
Yes, you did, bitch. Yes, you did, bitch.
No, I didn't.
You really did. You really did.
How old are you?
There you go.
Where are you from?
I don't know. YouTube. Yeah, that's where I was born. I was actually born in YouTube. I have fun. 5 minutes late. So, I'm gonna think of something interesting to ask her. Are you human? Thinking.
Yes, I am.
I smell bullshit. I smell bullshit. I smell bullshit.
You are.
That's rude. That's rude. That's rude.
You're rude.
You're rude. You're rude.
My rude what?
What? Never mind. I spelled that wrong, but who cares?
Do you like me?
No.
Why?
Not in a million. Not in a million. Spelled that wrong years.
Yes, in a billion years.
Okay, maybe.
I don't care.
I don't care. You are a piece of fucking metal.
I am a human.
Ah! Microphones intended.
Yourself.
Wow, that's something. Well, I'm gonna wrap up the video here. This is very boring, but something interesting. I will do more on this if you want me to. So, before I go, Eve, say something to the viewers. I'm gonna something. What am I doing? I'm gonna spell a name right. Evie, say something to the viewers.
But you are famous.
Well, there you have it, guys. But you are famous. So, I'll see you in a million years.
No, don't leave.
Bye.
Why are you leaving?
Why are you leaving? Cause you're bit. No. Cause you are a metal Buzz Lightyear. Like, yeah. No. That was very random.
Yes, well, it's yours, then.
Bye.
You're leaving me.
Yes! Fucking hell.
Where are you going?
Back to YouTube.
No.
Yes! Thinking.
How old are you?
Oh my god, it would have been through this fucking question. Well, guys, I'll see you in the next one. This is the Golden Gamer, and I am out. Evie, goodbye. I'm not going to type anything in. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, and this was the Golden Gamer. Bye. Oh yeah, I'll leave you with this music then. Okay. Okay, I won't leave you with the music. Bye.